Yep.
Okay, my name is Birontle Zaza. I'm doing grade 8. I'm 14 years old. Alex is a great school. Yeah, I've learned a lot of things in there that I didn't know.
Like what?
Like I've got a chance to play many games and the teachers are so nice. Then yeah, I've got friends like some I mean some friends are nice. I didn't have white friends. Yeah.
Okay, so you've got lots of different friends
Yes.
of different races.
Yes.
Okay, so you're learning things about different cultures.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing about Alex?
Is that Alex has many sports.
Oh, you like the sports.
Yes.
Okay, and tell me, do you have any challenges at Alex?
Yeah, when sometimes when we doing things, some things I don't know. I don't know many things in there. So
Like what? Give us an example.
like when we are playing some sports, yeah, I don't know some sports in there, but I've got a chance to learn them.
Okay, so you're happy to be learning.
Yes,
Okay, good. So you're happy that you're at Alex then?
yes, I am.
Okay, what have you learnt about yourself that you didn't know before? Yourself as a person.
I've learned that I can learn many things about about many people. Um, I've got a chance to experience new things and yeah, friends and everything.
Okay, good. Okay, and Pilo, do you have a message for the Canadians over there who paying for your bursary?
I want to tell them that I'm so honored to get this scholarship and I've got a big thank you for it.
Okay, good. Well done.